What's good, YouTube? That boy Yachty finally dropped Let's Get on Their Ass. Now, Kai has previewed this. I think Yachty previewed it when he was at Kai's house for that little stream, the overnight stream. I had to react to it. Let's get into it. I'm Ace, and welcome to the kitchen.
Don't walk a million miles, stuck in all alone. And at the promise, I done seen this shit before. Sooner or later, but the truth is gonna unfold. And if I die, I pray to God he take my soul.
Ever. I'm finna get mean. Turn up the circus. Turn up the. What? I'm tryna bring me a back. Yeah, I'm tryna bring me a spine. I'm tryna pull me an 8. Yeah, I'm tryna pull me a dime. I'm tryna order a crate. Yeah, ain't never bought me no lines. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass. Alright. Give me personally, nigga, I'm poppin'. I'm making the calls, I'm pulling the fingers, I'm getting no drop.
Bro, this nigga hasn't missed in so long, bro. I don't know what happened, what he got into. This nigga has not missed in a minute, bro. And he keep dropping bang. Like the Concrete album, I ain't really fuck with like that. But when Yachty is on, like, bro, this shit is, the beat is crazy, and just his flow is just insane, man.
Well, I'll turn that judge, not the red shells. Your pussy can't do nothing to me. Your pussy, his bitch wanna do me. I ain't tripping, she came from the boonies. Like, fuck it, I said they gon' show me. It's over, I did it, they owe me. Fucking them up, skirt on their ass. I run out them rims and spin on glass. Fuck it, niggas ain't got no paper. They going to war, they gon' run out of money. I'm paying to hit your hoe. Are you tripping, buddy? Ha, 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 ha. Throw money up in the eco. Shooting that bitch like a free throw. Made back $10 a veto. My brother, my twin.
Tiana.
Throw money up in the eco. Shooting that bitch like a free throw.
Like, why are you with Yachty, Tiana? Why? Like, what was the link up for? To watch the Maybach? Okay.
Made back $10 a veto. My brother, my twin, Cardo. I still put the drugs in the cargo. They bills ain't more than my car note. These bitches is Bible, barcode. Run it on auto. Yup. Money the motto. Yeah, I'm tryna bring me spine. I'm tryna pull me an 8. Yeah, I'm tryna pull me a 9. I'm tryna order a crate. Yeah, ain't never bought me no lines. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass.
They iced the dog out. That's some rich nigga shit for you. That old ass computer. Nah, man. Like I said, bro, Yachty has not missed. I fuck with this Yachty. Like the old Yachty, like I was back in high school. You feel me? I fucked with it, whatever. And then he fell off, kinda, sorta. But this Yachty has not missed. I like the flow. I like his tune. You know, I fucks with it. And he did that song for Drake. That shit, like, he just been spazzing, bro. He literally been spazzing. I don't know what it is, what he been drinking, who he been fucking, but the nigga been spazzing.